Exercise 14.3 Question 1. Draw any line segment PQ. Without measuring line segment PQ, construct a copy of line segment PQ. So student, here measurement of line segment PQ is not given and we have to construct one copy of line segment PQ. So let us draw a figure along with steps of constructions. Steps of construction. Given line segment PQ whose length is not known. So students, first of all we will draw one line segment PQ whose length we don't know. So let us draw line segment PQ of any length. So students, this is PQ line segment of any length. Number 2. Fix the compasses on pointer on P and pencil and on Q. The opening of the instrument now give the length of line segment PQ. Draw any line L. Choose a point A on L. Without changing the compass setting, place the pointer on A. So let us see first these two construction. So students, next step was that fix the pointer on P, open the compass till Q. So this is our PQ measurement. Without changing this opening of the compass, we have to draw a pointer on A. Before that, we have to draw a line L. So this is our line L. Put a point A on L, line L. Then, according to our measurement of PQ, without changing this opening of the compass, we have to put a pointer on A and then make an arc of the same distance. And this arc we will name as B. Draw an arc that cuts L at point B. So students, we have drawn an arc that cuts L at point B. Let us see this in construction. So students, this is a line L where we have drawn an arc putting a pointer on A with this distance PQ, and we have made an arc AB. So this AB is a copy of PQ. Why? Because this is the distance we have taken from PQ and then we have made arc. So this AB is the copy of PQ. Now let us write conclusion. Hence, line segment AB is the copy of line segment PQ. Question number 2. Given some line segment AB whose length you don't know, construct line segment PQ such that length of line segment PQ is twice that of line segment AB. So here also line segment AB is given, but that length we don't know. We have to construct line segment PQ such that the length is twice of line segment AB. So let us see steps of construction. Steps of constructions. Given line segment AB whose length is not known. So let us draw first of all line segment AB whose length is not known. So students, here we will draw line segment AB whose length we don't know. So we will write here AB. Now let us see second step. Fix the compasses on pointer on A and pencil end on B. The opening of the instrument now gives the length of line segment AB. Means we will measure the compasses with the opening of the pointer and then that is the distance of AB. Draw any line L. Choose a point P on L without changing the compasses setting. Place the pointer on Q. So let us do these two steps in figure. So second step was fix the compasses on the pointer A and put the pencil at the end of B. So this is the distance of AB. Third step is draw any line L. So we are drawing any line L. Put a point P on line L. Then, without changing this compass distances, we have to make a pointer on arc. So here we are making one pointer, and let us give some other name. So let us give R. Now let us see next step. Draw an arc that cuts L at point R. So we have drawn that. Now place the pointer on R and without changing the compass's setting, draw another arc that cuts L at a point Q. So let us do this step. Here in these steps we have drawn an arc and we have labeled it at L. We have labeled R. Now place the pointer on R and with the same without changing the setting of the compass, we will make another arc and that cuts at L and that is named as Q. Now students, as per it is given in the question, line segment AB is twice of the PQ. This is the one distance, this is second distance. So 1 and 1. So 1 and 1 this is one distance and this is the second distance. Hence it is the twice of line segment AB. Line segment PQ is twice of line segment AB. Now let us write conclusion. Hence, line segment PQ is the required line segment whose length is twice that of line segment AB.